the topic of my speech is education. Education is the way of imparting skill, knowledge, and learning. It helps us to learn new things and help us to learn new things and develop a sense of innovation and creativity. Education is a tool which helps us to achieve success and earn respect in the society. Education educates the thinking of the society and helps to uproot social evils. Education helps to earn a livelihood and fight for our basic rights. Education helps to bridge the gap between the rich and the poor. Education helps in the physical, social, mental, and spiritual development of an individual. The development in the field of arts, science, technology, etc. is only